Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and this is the ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker. This smart ice maker will make crystal clear nuggets of ice. It also makes it with the clearest, most pure water, the lowest TDS, I'll tell you that later, and makes a full batch of ice in only about an hour. So you and your family have as much ice as you want on demand, with no ice weird taste in your beverages. Let me tell you about it. ECozy makes a smart nugget ice maker. It's an IceLumix panel in the ice maker. That IceLumix panel in the ice maker is what's smart. It is a full color panel, and it's the industry's first smart panel that's full color to give you an intuitive operation of how to use it with really good looks and design. I love that it has an LED light, so it looks like a really cool high-tech accessory in your bar or kitchen. It's more than an ice maker with that decoration. That sleek light looks cool. The ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker will look great in any kitchen or any bar area. Here it is in my kitchen, on the kitchen counter. It's neat, it's compact, and here it is in my bar serving area. It's just such a sleek design that it looks great anywhere. Even in an office it would look great. Having great nugget ice in the quantities you want with this fast ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker makes ice fast, so you have lots of nugget ice to make for your parties. The ice comes out pure and fresh with little total dissolved solids, so it's not going to add any bad taste to your drinks. Because of that, all the ice nuggets are crystal clear. It only takes 1 hour to make 6 to 7 cups of ice nuggets. Let me show you how this works. The first step with your ECozy Smart IceLumix Panel Nugget Ice Maker is to clean it. To clean it, use filtered water, open the front door, then open the water tank above and fill it with water. Press the power on. It's showing the air temperature at 71 degrees and the water temperature that just went into the tank at 73 degrees. The display also gives you the time of day. When you first put your water in, it reads 000 for TDS. TDS is total dissolved solids per million parts. It's going to calculate how much TDS is in your water. And remember, this is simply from my tap. You want your ice as pure as it can be, so the total dissolved solids in it is a very key factor. This ECozy Smart Ice Maker will tell you if your TDS is high, so you know to change your water to better water as you're making your ice. So I got this TDS instrument. It's a monitoring stick. On the left, I have a little bowl of filtered water. Here we show it's only 17 parts per million. Anything below 200 would be great. Nice to know my filtered water only has 17 parts per million total dissolved solids. Now we reset it and we're going to put into my normal tap water. This is just what comes out of my faucet. Let's read the TDS from my municipal water. The total dissolved solids of my tap water comes in at 312. That's over 200. I don't think I want to drink ice made from my tap water. What a nice lesson for me to know. This little experiment was great. I will always use filtered water to make my ice. Let's say you had put in water with too high of a TDS. You just take that tank out and drain it and rinse it twice over your sink and then fill it up with clean water. So very quickly, let me show how I made the ice. I put in my filtered water into the water tank. I pressed the power button, and then I could tell by the snowflake symbol it was making the ice. And here we're reading it on my ECozy Smart IceLumix Panel Nugget Ice Maker. The TDS is fluctuating, but it's in that same range. I'm so glad I'm using my filtered water. In just over an hour, it made 6 to 7 cups of ice. Here's a time lapse of that, so you can see how it comes pouring out of the machine, batch by batch. And look how pretty and sleek it is, with the LED light high-tech accessory in the background, lighting up the ice in that beautiful cool blue color. Very stylish. And now, check out this cool dual layer technology. I want to show how there's minimal ice melting for over 3 to 4 hours, and the ice will maintain its original shape. I'm doing a comparison test. Check this out. I did a test with a tumbler. We're going to see with this test after 3 or 4 hours that the ice in the basket remained solid with minimal melting. I started by scooping ice into the double insulated tumbler. Now check out the ice's state in the ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker versus the tumbler. the tumbler melts. The ice maker retains its shape. It has a special Stay Cool dual layer cooling system. And that's why, with its double layer insulation technology, that ice will melt slower and will retain its shape. I'm going to pour this tumbler of ice in a bowl. You see all that water there? That's all the melting that happened. Now, we look into the basket of the ice maker. We don't see that. Just a teensy bit of melting around the outside. That's it. It retained its shape and its frozen state in ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker. Besides just pressing the buttons manually on the touchscreen display, I also could have used my app. Check this out. I went to the App Store and I downloaded the ECozy app from my ice maker, and it sets up like any normal app for anything like you've done before. It is super simple. And once it's downloaded, you can be anywhere making ice. I'm away from it, I'm in my backyard, but I'm sending it the message, make some ice for me. And this is how I did it. On the home page, I tapped on ECozy Ice Maker, then I clicked Start. Easy peasy. It will start a cycle to make the ice. And if you want to, you can stop it as well. And if you want to wait a while, you can. You can delay it. Here I'm delaying it by 20 minutes to start the ice process. And there's also a scheduling feature, and you can make mini schedules. On the home page, you're able to do that, and you can toggle them on or off. It is so easy, and the app can work from anywhere, like in my backyard, or around the world if I wanted it to be, working somewhere else on a trip to have fresh ice when I got home. And besides that, it has a smart app control that you can use your voice to control it. It is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control the ice making process anytime, anywhere, just by saying, Alexa, make ice.
Okay.
Let me point out a very special feature of that app. I love the scheduling. I can schedule for ice to come out the very next morning so that I can have an iced latte when I wake up in the morning. To use that part of the app was super simple. You just tell it what time you want your ice, and it's reliable to have ice on your own schedule to make your favorite drink. And in this case, it's an iced latte for me. Isn't that amazing how far technology has come with the ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker? It is fantastic to have those crystal clear, sparkling nuggets of ice in any drink you want on the schedule you want. Fresh and fast, and only about an hour for an entire cycle. That's just amazing. Here's my fresh grapefruit juice over ice. Cheers to you. When you order your ECozy Smart IceLumix Panel Nugget Ice Maker, it arrives right to your door. I open the outer box and put the inner box right on my counter. And here are all sides of the box. It would make a great gift to give to someone. I opened that box, and here is how it came packaged inside. Everything was wrapped very carefully and cushioned with styrofoam so there would be no damage during shipping. I took all the wrappings off of my ECozy Ice Maker, and the panels had plastic on them as well to prevent any scratching along the way. Here's the front, and now here's the back. The electrical cord is already attached to the machine. Here's a side view with the fan on the side. That's going to expel hot air from the machine running. And on the side again is some protective film. It just peels right off to reveal the stainless steel, sleek look of the design. Here's the other side, and I peeled the film off there too to reveal the stainless steel. Here's the front, and when you open it into the ice tray, there are accessories. There you'll find your scoop for the ice. And here I am opening the water tank. This is what it looks like. You can fully remove it to bring it to your sink if you'd like to. Here's the top of the ECozy Ice Maker. It tells you all kinds of information about your control panel. A great thing to leave on while you get familiar with your ECozy Ice Maker. Here's a secondary water reservoir. I didn't show this in the demo, but you can fill that with extra water too, to have double the capacity of water for more ice making. The whole top lid just pops off as well. Very well designed. Here's a close-up of the water tank. The ice basket is able to be slipped out too in case you want to wash it in the future. It snaps in and out. And here is your ECozy Ice Maker from the side, fully opened, with your ice basket on the left. The plug is secured on the back, so you pull that off. The 3-prong plug is meant to plug into any North American household outlet, 120 volts. Here's what the user manual looks like. It comes wrapped in plastic, so it's in good shape when it arrives to your house. And here's everything that comes in that plastic bag. You have your quick guide, you have your manual, and you have cute stickers. They even give you a few ice bags for you to store your ice in other freezers after you make it. I thought that was a good idea, in case you're gonna have a party. And here it is plugged in and turned on my kitchen counter. And let me show you on the back, there is a water drain plug. If you were to turn the machine off and the ice were to melt, this is where the water will drain out of it from the melted ice. You would put a tray underneath that to catch the water, or put the whole thing over the sink. It's great that it comes with a drain. It's easy to drain out the water when it's not in operation. And after you do your first self-cleaning process, you're going to want to empty the water. I just put it right up to my sink, and there's a plug I opened for it to drain right down my sink. And again, for that drain, I just put it over my sink. I let the water out and then snap back on the cap for next time I want to use my ice maker. This is the most advanced ice maker I have ever seen. It's the ECozy Smart IceLumix Panel Nugget Ice Maker. It's so easy to use and it makes such great ice. I'm going to give it the ice crunch test. A lot of us out there just like to crunch ice. Oh, I'll get a little brain for you, Cheryl. But it's not too hard to crunch. It's the perfect texture to crunch. I love it. The particular size of ice makes it really pleasant to crunch. They're not too big. And they're easy to crunch. And I love staying hydrated with my lemon ice water. I use a fresh lemon from my garden, and this is what I drink. 8 glasses of this a day to keep me well hydrated. And I love that it takes hardly any space on my counter with all that power. Click the link below to get your ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker. Cheers! I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for all your refreshing beverages with clean, crystal clear, great tasting ice. Yum. I'm gonna go back and have a little more of my ice water. I'm thirsty. If you like this video, here's some over there, including my recipes for beverages, which are even better with ECozy Smart Nugget Ice Maker. Just click.